What's going on, guys? If you landed on this video, it's probably because you want to shoot more cinematic content. You want to be able to create that crispy bokeh effect that you see on a lot of DSLRs and mirrorless cameras, but from your phone. So I'm shooting right now on the iPhone 14 Pro, and if you want to upgrade your camera quality, I suggest you get the highest quality possible. iPhone 14 Pro will do just that. And first, you want to start off, you want to go to your camera and you want to go over to cinematic mode. Now you're going to see two options, especially if your camera is fully updated. If you have the latest iOS update, you're going to see a 1x and you're going to see a 3x telephoto option. Now the 3x option is going to allow you to get more depth, but it comes at a cost. That 3x option is going to allow you to get further away from your subject, but you can't do it too close because it's going to be too far. But it does create more separation between your subject and the background. If you're utilizing the 1x, then that's going to allow you to get a lot closer to your subject. Now I might drop a video down below or right here, you might be watching it right now, of a example of a shoot that I did on a boat, and I was utilizing the 3x telephoto lens with the cinematic mode. And when you couple that, add a color grade over it, and add some music, and you make some quick edits and slow it down a little bit, you're gonna come to a very cinematic looking video. So what I use personally to edit the videos right on iPhone is VN Editor. I'll probably have a link for that down in the bottom. But it's a free app, you don't have to pay for it. There is an upgrade pro version, but I did it all with the free. I also use that app to use the transitions, the trending transitions you might see on Instagram Reels. Those are going to be the ones that start shaking the pictures out of nowhere and adding those trending songs. I've created a few of those using that app, and all you have to do for that is just go to the transition portion and add it there. Now there's many transitions that you could use in conjunction with the cinematic mode, but if you just want to step up your game really fast, just switch on that cinematic mode and start utilizing that cinematic mode more other than the ultra wide or the regular wide camera, because it's going to create that blurry background. Now the problem with this cinematic mode is that it's pretty iffy sometimes. It doesn't catch you all the way. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click edit after you video, and then you're actually going to want to focus on the subject. So let's say it's me. So before shooting this video, or even after shooting the video, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna edit, and then I'm gonna tap on my face until it says auto tracking. And then it's gonna track the whole thing from start to finish. And as long as you do that, you should be very good in capturing your subject so it's not missing, especially if your subject moves out of frame and comes back in. Just make sure you edit the blurriness in post, because the iPhone does not do a good job. It's not a DSLR, it's not a mirrorless camera, so it's not going to automatically detect that as well as a normal camera will. So if you have any other questions, just let me know down in the comments below. This helped you a lot. Smash that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.